Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So for the DXY, it looks like it is clear skies ahead, but also not really, in the sense that you can see this whole region over here since November 2021 has been rather choppy, and until it breaks out of this range, right between 95.7 to 97, you are really not sure what price is going to do. It's probably going to trade in a random walk, rather choppy manner, taking people's stop loss out until it breaks out. So I think what we want to see is price breakout of this range for the wave 5 impulse. So really look out for that. I'll cautiously long DXY at these levels, place a stop loss here in hopes that it will reach the top of the channel. But yeah, totally expect price to move against you. It is not really clear until price breaks out of the range. Another way you can play is wait for a larger entry on the pullback. Enter on a pullback and then try and ride it up to minimize your loss. But really for this pair, I think a breakout of the range is much preferred, because it's probably going to do this kind of move.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.